and I'm going to a little bit hit your mind over here. So please bear with me. And the objective of I'm sharing this is to help you out where the gap is there and how you can actually change it. Okay. So that's the main objective of this session is going to be. Okay. Fine. So I want you to let's imagine this is your wheel of growth. Okay. This is your wheel of success. It's basically it's a car, one wheel of the car or four wheels of the car. Let's say it's a four wheel of the car where you are riding right now, or you had planned of riding so that you can go up in the career. And it's a perfect shape. This is what you have imagined. If you have this much of job, this much of money, this much of people around me, I'm in this position, I'll be awesomest, I'll be the happiest person. So let's imagine this as a whole circle. Please draw this whole circle on a paper. Go ahead, please draw a circle, this circle on your notebook. So you draw a circle. Now, from the center of the circle, I want you to draw 5 lines to the end of the circle. Okay. So basically, this is the spoke, and this is the center of your wheel of growth, wheel of success. If this wheel gets tied with these spokes, the wheel will be in the shape, because that shape is very important. And then it can roll out, right? It can go faster and faster and faster and faster. Now, what I did is basically these are the important spokes for your growth. Okay. What I have done is I have created a 5 category as per my understanding what is important for career. Okay. In your case, what could happen? It may little bit change, or you might have a different name. So let's look at the name. And then if you think the name is different, put your name against it. So your wheel of growth must have a salary, good money, or your business is like revenue. If you're running a business, if you're running coaching or training business, it's a revenue or money. So money is one of the spoke for your growth, faster growth. Second is organization position. So position, let's say if you're running a business, what is your position in the market? Or if you are a job seeker, or if you are in a job, or if you want to go in a job, let's say the spoke end is organization's position, which position you are in. Okay. Third is time for yourself, like how much time you're having for yourself. You're going to enjoy, right? So it's not just work. You're going to enjoy, right? So do you find time for yourself? So time for yourself is basically one of the very important factor for your wheel to grow, go for longer term. So this is the third part. Fourth is domain or skill, your knowledge in the industry, knowledge of the domain. So if you're having a business, what is the domain acquisition, knowledge acquisition your team has, your organization has, what position, not just position, it's like, are you considered as an expert in a particular domain? So data sciences, or maybe leadership, training, and things like that, whatever you're trying to do. So it works in the business aspect as well. Okay. And other is last one, which is the influence. Influence means, can you influence the market? Influence in terms of job is, can somebody at a leadership position or a non-leadership position you are in, do people listen to you and follow what you say? Okay. So do you have the influence? Do you have the people who are listening to you? Do you have the network of people who are listening to you and they follow what you say? Just these are the 5 spokes. If you think there is one more spoke, put one more line and put that spoke somewhere. But let's okay with this 5 if it is okay with you. If you want to rename as per your business, just rename it. It might not vary too much, just 5 spokes. Okay. If you want to add a few spokes, just add 1. Okay. Don't add more than 6 spokes, because it's going to be messy and it's going to create it'll break the strategy. You may feel overwhelmed. Okay. So just have 5 spokes. So anything which is fit, which will fit in this 5 category, do not add it. Okay. Just keep it. We are trying to understand from like bird's eye view. It's like you are looking yourself from space, how it looks like, your career, how it looks like. Okay. Now what I want you to do is basically you put 10 dots. So let's say the center of this circle is 0 and end of this circle is at 10. Okay. So from, just divide this whole line into 10 parts. So I have created a circle, 10 circles just to have the shape, but you can actually put 10 dots on each line. Okay. So I'm just going to show you how it looks like. So if you do this, okay, so this will be like this. So there will be, this intersection will be 9 dots. We are building your circle, a cycle of growth, and you'll just understand where you are fucked up and where you're doing awesome. Okay. Immediately you'll see this like photo of yours. This is how your career look like right now. Okay. Now, hear my question carefully, very carefully. From scale 1 to 10. So this is from 1 and this is 10. We are talking about salary, money, or revenue in terms of that. Okay. From scale of 1 to 10, 10 is the highest scale you have imagined. Imagine how much money you want. Okay. That's your 10 scale. From that 10 scale, what is your current status? Put dot here, the circle it. Okay. So if your current status out of 10 in money, for example, you wanted to earn 10 lakhs or let's say 50 lakhs a year, but that's your 10 scale, but you are not that much, like you feel that still long way to go, and it is like I'm like 8 out of 10. Just put 8. Just at 8th intersection, just put your circle, put a dot there, bigger dot, maybe put a bigger circle, just circle it out. So from your expectations, from your dream is basically this outer circle, because that was your dream. Right now, where do you stand? Do you stand like far away? Out of 10, I'm like at 5 position, I 4th position. Let's say your revenue have to be X, but you are not X revenue as of now. So what is the revenue and what is the rating you feel is should be there? Okay. What is your current status in terms of money? And if you have 0, put 0. Don't worry. Okay. It's fine. We are not judging anybody. We are just assessing ourselves. Now, similarly, you can do from the organization position. Let's say you wanted to become the CEO of the organization, or maybe the highest position, or what position you wanted to be in the market. If you are running a business, where do you stand right now? Like, do you stand at 4th level, 3 level, 10 level, 8 level? Where do you stand? If you are 10, that means you are leader of this leader in that domain. Okay, that business area, or maybe that job you are doing. Okay, the whole circle works for both job and career as well. So we are trying to circle it out. Okay. Okay. Similarly, you do third thing, time for yourself. If you have ample amount of time that you can spend anywhere you wanted to go, do, join, help, things like that, you have ample amount of time. That is your 10 level. If you think that you wanted to have all these, but you're not getting time because of the work, because of taking care of kids, because of like, oh my God, I need to take care of my in-laws. Oh my God, I'm not getting time for myself. So out of 10 times what you have imagined, what is the time you are able to spend for yourself? You have for yourself. How much time do you have for yourself right now when you're doing a lot of work, when you're doing a lot of activities, taking care of family, COVID, a lot of things. Okay. Similarly, you do for domain skills. Okay. If you are really awesome at, let's say, data sciences or psychology or maybe physiology, you have become a crazy doctor or things like that. What is level of your domain skill? Whatever your imagined level and what is the level you are right now, just see it. Okay. And put big circle there. And similarly, you do it for influence. What is your influence in your industry, in your market, in your organization, wherever you are? You think that somebody is going to follow whatever you say, that is your 10 level, then are you at 10 level or are you at like 2 level? Some people say, some people don't. What is your imagined, like current status, whatever you can think of? Now, what I want you to do is I want you to join the circle in the most circlist way, curved way, so that it can create a perfect circle. Right now, I'm joining it with a line because that's what I am going to use it. Okay. But I'm going to for the simplicity, I'm just drawing with the joining with the line so that I can exaggerate the thing. But you can like make it like curve. Okay, I want to join curve like this. Make it like a circular curve so that it connects, emerges with the circular curve. And I want you to quickly notice at the circle, your current circle becomes. if your current circle is pure circle or is it like partial circle, and imagine that is the tire you have right now in your career car, would you go faster? How could you travel faster with triangular tire? Think about it. I don't want you to judge yourself. Just close your eyes and imagine you are going faster. You want to reach to a particular position. Maybe you are traveling in your career where a lot of challenges are there, but you are actually traveling with bad tires. And your tire shape is like this. Do you think you will go faster? This image basically will tell you where do you stand. And this image has one more profound thing, is what gap you need to fill in which area. Consider, try to understand this analogy over here. If I have a money up to 9 level or 7 level, I'm okay with it, but my influence is actually sucking. So instead of pushing myself, just earning money, what if I just increase my influence to over here? Would it increase the speed of my car? Think about it. The objective of this task is, what is your career factor? Your career factor, not mine. Because I want you to use the career factor over here, your organization, your business factor here. As per your business factor, you just now know that where do you stand? Do you need to put the effort double or triple or quadruple the effort, and how much gap you have from your target circle? If you have a perfect circle, then you need to actually expand it. But I have never seen anybody in my so far sessions that anybody has the perfect circle. Which area this, or which one of the spoke of this chart, which what you have created for yourself, needs more attention, needs expansion, needs shift from level 2 to level 10, level 8, level 7?